low-key thought I was done, but I forgot I need to do the eyes. Oh my god. It's been 3 to 4 hours, I think. 3 hours, maybe almost 4. And I finally finished all of these, but now I need to paint the eyes. I totally forgot. Oh my god. Oh, and the letters. Great. But they look super cool so far. Definitely looks super, super cool. They look amazing. Okay, let's do the eyes then. The alien for resin. Some of them lost a year, but it's okay. It's random. Some of them lost a letter. Some of them lost a duck. It's okay though. We got the headband quack. I need to get the quack on it. And yeah. Here we go. We got all 20 ducks. I thought it was 25. Apparently it's only 20. Can't believe it. It did not make 5 more. Oh my god. It's fine. 20 though. It's good. It looks so cool. Look at this. A duck army. Very cool for real.